Hola mi gente. Just like I promised, I will be showing you the solution to make the RAM run at 3600 MHz with no issues. I tried running the SMP profile, which should have worked. Well, it didn't work, and I tried looking up solutions, but none of them seemed to be covering the issue. Thanks to a friend, I learned about the RAM overclocking settings, and I started messing with the timings and the voltage. I was able to stabilize the 5800X 32 gigs running at 3600 MHz. To fix this, I will provide my timings and voltage. Look at the screen right now. I will provide the timing and voltage I used to fix the issue. If you need help finding out how to put in the settings, please make sure to look up some videos on YouTube about the timings and voltage. So this was the old profile, 3600 MHz, 16, 19, 19, 39, but it did not work.